This is B.
B.
B is a popping sound. We make it by puffing out our cheeks, then popping them. The sound comes out very quickly, like a pop.
B.
When B pops, it can pop into another sound like this.
B. B. Ba.
B likes to go into words like bed, bird, ball, and balloon. B's favourite letter is letter B. B loves to go into letter B. Only letter B, not a real bee.